Hello Scorpio, welcome to your October 2021 readings. I hope you guys are doing great. Guys, this is going to be a general reading, so take only what resonates with you. And you can check out other readings also if you feel resonated with the title, okay? Because there might be some messages for you. Alright, so let's get started and let's see the oracle cards first for this month. Scorpio, what I am feeling is you are going to have some new beginnings in your life. The very first message. Second message is that you are a little bit in the energy of hanged man. So there are some decisions that you have to make, but right now you're contemplating. I don't know why when I was channeling your energy, these are I literally saw the card of hanged man, and then I saw the card of sun. So I really feel like it's almost like that crown chakra activation and some major clarifications and clarity that's coming towards you, that pineal gland, that higher chakras opening. Okay, so some downloads might be coming towards you. Right now you're not taking any action, you're more in the energy of contemplation. I don't know, this message may resonate with very few people or maybe a lot of people. I don't know, you just take it how it resonates with you. Okay, so yes, it was almost like this sun, as you can see on this card. So it's like very bright sun, and when I see this, it's almost feels like there is that self realization that comes. Okay, so yes, you are gaining a lot of clarity and lot of downloads from your higher self, and it could be regards to anything, because there are lots of new beginnings also that are coming towards you. That's the energy that I was picking up. Okay, so now let's start seeing your messages. I will pull out this card. Change. Yeah. Change is the theme. I mean, the universal theme for this year is about change, challenges, changes. This is the kind of energy that has been during this year, this whole year. And since you are activating your 12th house because of this Libra season, if I'm right, yes. So you are activating your 12th house, which is the house of moksha, and moksha is all about liberation. So here also is the energy of that enlightenment, that epiphany, that sudden downloads and realizations, that clarity. And right now when I see this message, I really feel like uh, it's more about you releasing and liberating yourself and creating the challenges. It's about releasing that old self and bringing the new changes. Okay, and creating the impossible. Okay, I will pull out this card. So 3 cards have shown up. I will take these 3 only. Okay, so yes, power. See here also, I feel like this is a sudden downloads, sudden epiphany that happens. That kind of energy that I'm feeling here. You being cracked open. Okay, because 12th house is also about that higher wisdom, that spiritual knowledge, that moksha, that liberation, So it's like you being cracked open and all those downloads getting seeped into you. Okay, so yes, there will be some information that's going to come towards you. Right now you're in the hangman position, but it's almost like that sun that's rising up, this kind of vision. Okay, that sun that is coming on the horizon. So it's almost like the realization and the epiphany and the light coming into your life, and you're realizing things and answers. You're finding those answers that you were contemplating. Okay, and then the next card we have is trust, and then we have the opportunity. That's why I said that I was feeling this energy of new beginnings in your life. There might be some opportunities that may show up. And trust is more about, trusting your journey, trusting your path, trusting where the life is taking you. Okay, some decisions we take, some decisions we have to surrender. So here, this is the energy of surrendering, releasing that control and letting universe take the control. Okay, so let me pull out some more cards for you from the Moonology deck. Okay, I will take this card. Two cards have shown up. One is the meditate and contemplate. Yes, that's why I was saying I was getting that hangman energy. I don't know why. So you have that energy of contemplation. It's not the time for you to take any action. It's only time for you to seek the answers. Okay? And then we have the surrender to the divine. That's what. See, I can't just make up. That's what I was feeling here. You need to surrender. You need to go with the flow. Surrender to the divine. Okay? Let me see some more cards that wants to come out. So this is a month where you don't need to take much of an action. You just need to meditate a lot, gain the clarity, gain more knowledge, more information about things, and I think you will come to that conclusion. Okay, I'm gonna pull out this card. Don't let your past hold you back. Whatever things may have happened, you don't need to think that, oh, they're gonna repeat. No, they're not gonna repeat. They were there for a purpose. If you've learned your lesson, it's not gonna repeat. Okay, move forward. Take the opportunities that are coming towards you. Just because something didn't work out in the past does not mean it's not gonna work out now. Okay, look every opportunity from a fresh perspective, not from that old perspective. You've grown, you've evolved, you've learned those lessons, and now when opportunities are showing up, it's showing up based on your own energies. At that point of time, whatever energies you were in, you manifested things and attracted things based on that. Now you're in a different energy, so definitely you're going to attract better and good opportunities than before. Okay, so just don't let your mind take the best of you. It's time for that change. See, all these cards are very dark, but if you see, this is a very positive card, the very first card. And here also is the energy of that sun that I was talking about. One last card for you. I will take this one. Be bold and make the first move. Yes, don't worry. Don't worry. Don't be scared about what has happened in the past. Things are different now. Here, bottom of the deck. Confidence is your key to success. And here also is the card of Leo, that sun. That's the exact energy that I was getting. If you stand strong in your faith, you're gonna achieve all those things. Let me see some tarot messages for you. You've gained a lot of wisdom. 12th house is no joke. It's like you've already completed a major cycle of your life. It's almost like you reaching that state of liberation. Moksha house is the house of release, the house of letting go. Okay, so this is no joke. This card is pure. Five of Pentacles. Yes, don't let the past hold you back. This was in the past. This five, this change, this challenge was in the past. You've learned, you've grown from that time. This belongs to the past. You don't need to carry the same kind of energy in your present. Because if you'll carry this kind of energy, again you're gonna repeat the same mistakes. Again you're gonna experience the same things that you may have experienced before. And why do you want to do that? Okay? And then if you're contemplating about certain things, why certain incident happened in your life, why you had to go through certain experiences, I think you will gain that answers now. This is the season where you will start seeking those answers. Tower. Yes, some change has happened, some chaos may have happened before, and now you're ready to manifest the good opportunities. This tower, this thunder, this lightning, this is more of an energy of sudden changes that are coming towards in your life. Up until now, maybe you've been in the energy of loss. You might have been doing things and things may have not been starting to show any results up until now, but now it will. Things will change very fast and for the better. So if you feel like you don't want to let go certain things but it's not in your control, accept it. That's the best thing that you can do. Some changes may come in your life very abruptly and you may have to let go of certain things because it's your 12th house activation, but you have to let it go because it's not in your it's not gonna serve you for the longer run. It's not good for you. Whatever old foundations that were not serving you are gonna release. There's going to be new foundations that are built that are strong, and then when you've learned enough, when you stand strong in your power, then you can manifest these opportunities. Those of you who are already in this energy will be able to receive these energies and sustain them. But for those of you who are in this kind of energy, you have a long way to go right now. I would say it's gonna take some time, but just know that there are good things waiting for you in the future. Okay, one last card. Okay, Two of Pentacles. Yeah, that's what contemplation is. What should I do? What should I not do? What is right? What's not right? Am I doing the right thing? Whether I should stay, whether I should go. So that's that kind of confusion. You are going to gain that clarity by the end of this month. Okay, so that's all I have for you. If you resonated with this reading, please like, share and subscribe, and I'll see you soon. Till then, take care and bye bye.